bread's journey begins here, in the golden fields.
Each stalk harvested brings the grain one step closer to the mill. Collected wheat now begins its journey forward. From the fields to the milling plant.
Here, every grain is cleaned and prepared for grinding.
Before flour is made, every grain is carefully cleaned to ensure purity and quality.
Advanced systems sort the grains, keeping only the finest for the next stage of processing. Once cleaned, the wheat moves into powerful mills that grind it into soft, consistent flour.
From here, the flour is carried through sealed pipelines, keeping the process fully hygienic and automated.
When flour meets water and yeast, the dough begins to form. Tessie, the foundation of every type of bread.
As the dough rests, it naturally rises and develops the texture needed for perfect bread.
Each batch is divided into uniform pieces to ensure consistency in every loaf.
Special machines shape the dough, giving every piece the form it needs for the next stage.
In the proofing room, the dough rises again, becoming soft, airy, and ready for baking. Once proofed, the dough is ready to continue its journey toward becoming fresh bread. In the oven, heat transforms the soft dough into freshly baked bread.
Here, each loaf develops its color, its crust, and its signature aroma. After baking, the bread cools naturally, allowing its texture to settle perfectly.
Controlled cooling ensures the bread stays soft inside and firm on the outside.
Every loaf is checked for quality before it moves towards slicing and packaging.
Once cooled, each loaf is sliced evenly to prepare it for final packaging. Careful handling keeps every slice in perfect order as it moves ahead. Modern systems pack each loaf efficiently, keeping it fresh and protected. Every package is sealed and labeled to ensure traceability and freshness.
Quality checks verify that each pack meets the standards before moving forward. Packed loaves are arranged into cartons, ready for shipment.
Each carton is securely sealed to protect the bread during transport. Automated systems stack the cartons efficiently, preparing them for bulk handling.
In the warehouse, the pallets are stored and sorted for timely distribution.
Once loaded, the trucks begin their journey to markets and stores.
Delivered cartons reach stores where the bread is prepared for display. On the shelves, each pack is placed for customers to choose from.
Customers select the bread that suits their daily meals.
At checkout, every purchase is scanned and processed instantly.
With the shopping done, the bread finally makes its way home.
At home, the freshly bought bread becomes part of everyday moments.
Shared meals bring people together,
with bread often at the center.
Every slice reflects the journey from field to family. And so, the journey of bread comes to a gentle close.